Do you know that in many places, large bags are placed on both sides of the boat like this, which is thrown into the water. When one bag falls, the boat rocks so violently that the remaining bags fall into the water on their own. So what is filled in these bags, and why are they being thrown into the water like this? Let's tell you. Friends, this kind of process is called geotubes dumping, which is used to protect the coastlines, and in these bags, you filled with soil. They are made in such a way that the soil does not come out. These bags are also waterproof, preventing water from entering them. Later, they are placed on the seashore to fill the coast so that there is no difficulty for ships in coming and going due to soil erosion.